The School of Computing at Ulster University is delighted to partner with Novosco to deliver the Novosco Summer Cloud Camp 2018.
This is the third year of Novosco Cloud Camp and we're delighted this year to be partnering with Ulster University. We have built on the success of the previous years and we have increased the number of students this year, and it's hopefully going to be a much bigger and better programme.
Local industry is crying out for graduates with strong technology skills. This is a fabulous opportunity for a number of younger people to come on campus to develop some of those technology skills, but also just to experiment and explore some of the technologies that we have here on campus.
First 4 days will be at Ulster University, and then the 5th day will be at Novosco, where all the young people will come in and learn a variety of soft skills, including CV and interview skills. They'll also hear from a range of our employees through various parts of the company about their careers and how they got into the IT sector. Being at Ulster University this year means that the students who take part in Novosco Cloud Camp get automatically registered for the Discovery Scholar Scheme.